Hi, my name is Matt Posnick. I'm the General Manager of Stuff Your Face in New Brunswick. I got in touch with CSAV through a flyer that somebody was walking around town a few years ago dropping off, and at the time our audio system was pretty awful. Our original meeting, we sat down and tried to go over what we needed, what we wanted here, and how they could achieve it. So basically what we needed was new speakers on our outside patio bar, our outside patio, all throughout the restaurant in 4 different dining rooms, plus the bar area. Plus we needed a new amp to help carry the load of all those speakers, as well as capability of hooking up the audio to the television and to an iPod that we use for music. Chelsea was great. She came in, she did an inspection of what we currently had. She took some notes with my concerns on it and how we could achieve getting the best out of what we had. The team that came out did a great job hooking everything up. They were very clean. They stayed out of the way as much as possible. So I would definitely recommend Chelsea and her team and the company to anybody who's looking to do anything with audio, security, and that kind of stuff. Thank you, CSAV, for accommodating us and fulfilling our needs in the audio world.